Don't be self-conscious. What's really good, y'all? It's your boy Will Truong. For those of you who are new here, What's Really Good is a video segment where I just share things that are going on in my life. Today I want to share with you my experience of my first 48-hour film project as an actor. Okay, so before I actually show you the film, I want to talk about the details of what a 48-hour film project is and also shout some people out. Alright, so the 48-hour film project is an international event held in major cities on different weekends throughout the year. We happen to do ours in Chicago. And this is where a production team is given a random genre and an assignment, and you have 48 hours to write, shoot, edit, and ultimately produce a short film between 4 to 7 minutes. And with the right team and right people around, this allows you to be creative. You have fun from the process, from beginning to end. And I'm just saying that because it's not easy. It's actually very difficult. So here was our assignment. We were randomly given a genre of either mockumentary or revenge film, or we could mix the two. However, the following all teams must adhere to, meaning all teams must have a character by the name Greta or Greg Van Tendrel, who's a florist. The prop that must be shown in the film is a recycling bin, and a line of dialogue that must be said is "believe it or not, it's true," or "believe it or not, it is true," so that the contraction of that. So the reason why the rules are so strict are that not only does it keep it interesting with different genres from different teams, but also it prevents people from cheating coming in with pre-made films. So the premiere is actually online on October 14th, 7 p.m. Pacific Time or 9 p.m. Central Time. The tickets are virtual for $15, and that's all in the link below. So if you watch this through and you're like, man, I want to vote, I want to see what this is in competition for with all these other films, purchase your ticket and make sure you exercise your right to vote for the Year of the Phoenix Productions. If not, I'm not hating. You can still watch it here, okay? Clearly, I've been taking bites out of this content. I'm just excited as you are to watch this film. But before we start, I want to give a quick shout out to Year of the Phoenix Production as well as Motion Source Video Production, both based in Chicago. So go follow their Instagrams below. So now, understand you can't do anything without a team, so I want to express my deepest thanks and gratitude to the whole cast and crew, and most importantly, some of the people who actually got me to fly out to Chicago, which includes my friend and director, Craig Bass, the most gracious and awesome Lydia Caranda, the best producer I've ever met, my mentor and friend, Greg Perez, for his undying support, as well as Molan Javi, my friend, mentor, and fellow actor. So now let's get started. I actually never thought about acting, but a lot of people started coming up to me saying things like, you got a good look, you should be an actor, take off your shirt. Have you ever thought about acting? I guess actors tend to be good looking. Believe it or not, it's true. I'm hoping acting takes off so I can quit my florist job.
Your what?
Florist, a person who arranges flowers.
I think that's called a florist.
No, that doesn't sound right. Anyway, I have an audition this afternoon for something called Macbeth. You ever heard of it?
Yes, I've heard of it. Do you have a lot of theater experience?
Dude, tons of experience. I was in the theater when I saw the Fast and the Furious, Too Fast, Too Furious, Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift, Fast and Furious, which is the fourth one, but they didn't put a number on that one, so that kind of confused me. So I watched the one a couple times in theaters. So yeah, Macbeth. I got this.
So Greg, what do you think your chances are like?
Shoot, man, I'm so excited, but I'm confident I'm gonna get this this Macbeth part. Yeah. I'm really excited.
Hello, Greg. Didn't recognize you with a shirt on.
We all have our strengths, Bruce.
Right. I bring years of schooling and acting experience. Tell me again, Greg, what are your strengths?
Strength. And taking roles from jerks.
Ah, yes, you're referring to our last audition. I assumed they were looking for sophisticated acting sensibilities. Obviously, they went for something else.
Well, at least I got pedestrian number 4 from the last one.
Well, I got... Yeah, you know what? Our little dance ends here. This is Macbeth we're talking about. These are the big leagues.
Well, if you're here, it's a little league.
You have the acting skills of a potato.
Joke's on you. I love potatoes.
Well, at least I don't call my...
Greg Van Tendril and Bruce LaRue.
Hello.
Hey, I made this for you.
Welcome in. Oh, welcome in. Thank you. Flowers.
Yeah,
My
I'm a
headshots?
florist.
A florist.
Yeah.
Wow, that's very
Options
kind.
for you?
Not
Variations?
necessary. Kind of weird. Thank you.
Here are
Wow.
my
I only need
Please.
one. Thank you so much. I only need one headshot. So if you
please,
wanted to just,
have them all. You can have them.
do you have a favorite of
No,
them?
no,
You.
keep them. They're all great.
Oh, they are all great. Thank you so much. I can see range now. Wonderful. I'm Jennifer. I'm the director of this
Hi.
production. This is John Carlton. He's the producer at the theater.
Gentlemen.
Have you familiarized yourself with the sides?
Yes.
Yeah.
And you know the
Yes, I have
story?
mine right
Yeah,
here.
Macbeth, right?
Yes. Macbeth, right?
Right. Great. We will have Greg read for Macbeth first, and Bruce, you could read Macduff. And don't worry, we'll switch after one go through.
All right.
All right.
All right, thank you.
Any questions?
No.
Okay, great. Lovely. Gentlemen, go ahead whenever you're ready.
Mark right there?
Yes, that is the mark. That's correct.
Turn, hellhound, turn!
Of all men else I've avoided thee, but get thee back. My soul is too much charged with the blood of thine already.
I have no words. My voice is my sword. The bloodier
Is that supposed to be
the
Scottish?
terms can give thee out.
Thou loosest labor, as easy mayst thou the entrenched air with thine keen sword impress must make me bleed. Let fall thy blade
Dispel thy
of
charm,
Come here.
and let the angel whom thou still hast served tell thee Macduff was from his mother's womb.
Accursed be that tongue that tells me, for it hath cowed my better part of man
Nice joint lock.
by these juggling fiends. Now where am I?
Right there. Then yield thee, coward.
I will not yield to kiss the ground. Ah!
And live.
Though
I
Burnham
shall.
would become Dunsinane,
And give
and thou
over
opposed no woman born, yet I will try
Will have.
be at last.
And thee.
I throw my warlike shield. Ah! Ah!
Thank you for your time.
Thank you. I think that went well.
Really? We broke their table.
And
So this stuff is normal for you.
Gentlemen, wait, that was a lot. That was intense. That was thrilling. It was a spectacle. It was exhilarating. We have to have you. We have to cast you in this.
who?
Wait, me or him?
Both of you. Macbeth, Macduff, together. Come on. This partnership, it's you already have this built-in tension. I don't know where it comes from. I don't care. I want it. Keep it. We'll work on the stage combat stuff. That was a little messy, but we'll work on it. We've got a great foundation to build off of, and I can't wait to keep building it with you. I can't wait. I can't wait. Please say you'll come back. I'm so excited.
Yeah.
That was, I mean, the chemistry, it was amazing. Okay, 3 weeks. We start in 3 weeks. Rest up. Check your emails. No more flowers. I haven't stopped sneezing.
Hey, can you take me to the hospital?
No.
Alright, y'all, I really hope you enjoyed watching that short. Comment below what your favorite scene is, and if you choose to vote, please purchase a ticket and vote for Year of the Phoenix Productions. Other than that, y'all, until next time, what's really good? Catch you later.